Got an LGTV talking back to you. Let me show you how to turn the voice assistant on or off, real quick. Alright, let's get right into it. First, grab your LG remote and press the settings button. It's the gear icon right in the middle. Once you press it, a menu will appear on the left side of your screen. Scroll down and select all settings. It's the one with 3 dots. Now you'll see a list of options. Scroll down to General, select it, and then press the right arrow to move into the next menu. From there, scroll all the way down and choose Accessibility. Inside Accessibility, you'll see Audio Guidance. Press OK, and you'll see the toggle. If TalkBack Audio Guidance is on, simply press OK again to turn it off. If you want it on, toggle it the same way. That's it. Super simple. Method 2. Press the home button on your LG remote. At the top right of the screen, select the gear icon. You'll see the settings again on the left. Scroll down then, select all settings and then go to General. Press the right arrow and scroll down to Accessibility. Choose Audio Guidance, press OK, and toggle it on or off depending on what you need. And that's how you manage TalkBack Audio Guidance on any LG Smart TV. Hope that helped. Thanks for watching and take care.